What do we have now?
We're going to cover the nose with material. The black fur I got from
Note the monotone voice,
fabric.
because you have a little strand of hair on this side. Anyway, so this is what we have so far.
Yeah, I showed them that already.
There's the teeth. Isn't that funny looking?
Alright, you want to cut little loops for the eyes here, because this will go right in between. Sit right on top, just like that. Then what you want to do next is glue it in. Probably, this is uneven. Hold on.
Note the cow is looking at us no matter where we go.
Alright, so anyway, I'm going to fold the edge in and loop that right on top and glue that together. And then we'll have a nose piece to go right on top of that with the ring. And you're all set. Turn it off.